Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a professional logo with a free logo maker. First of all, we open any browser and then go to the search bar and type in the search bar ideogram. After that, click on the first link, ideogram. Once it's open, here we will log in using our credentials. Once it's open, we should paste any kind of prompt to create a logo. From here, for this, we will use it open ChatGPT in a new tab. Then go to the prompt and then type "write me some prompts to generate the logo for my gaming YouTube channel." The name of the channel is RJ Gaming. The logo must contain the name of the channel. This is a prompt for ChatGPT. Generate a lot of prompts for our logo. Copy one of them. Go back to the ideogram website. Go to the search bar and paste the prompt. After that, go to the right side. There is an option for magic and others, and the second one is an option for the ratio of your logo, and the third one is visibility. After that, click on Generate. It will start generating. Now you can see ideogram has generated 4 logos for us. Click one of them. Then scroll down. Now you can see more design options to switch over the logo. Scroll up. Click on 3 dots. Then click on Download. Your logo will be installed on your PC. You can see that one in your laptop. After that, go back to ChatGPT and try another prompt. Copy it and paste it in ideogram prompt. After that, go below and now click on 3 dots. Then choose the options. From here, I will choose 3D render for my logo. Click on Generate. It will start generating. And now you can see the logo is pretty much better than before. We can try it with another method. Use another option. So, click on Prompt, remove the 3D render, then click on Poster, then click on Generate. But now you will wait for a couple of seconds. Once it's done, now click on it. Just generating. Now you can see the fastest style logos have been ready in ideogram. That's the way to make a professional logo easy and more effective in ideogram. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you find this helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.